So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I gonna show you Missybun hairstyle. I used this product in this hairstyle. So this is the Matrix Opticare Smooth Serum. I used this after shower off my hair. I use only 2 drops, that's it. Take 2 drops of that serum and apply on your length of the hair. Don't apply scalp for any serums and conditioners. Now comb hair thoroughly that there are no tangles. Now comb your overall hair into backwards like so and take that very high ponytail like so. Give the hand this much loose like so. Okay. Now twisted your overall hair like this and make a bun. Okay, now take the bun stick like this and fix it that in a zigzag method. Now adjust the tugs like so. So this is the bun, very easy messy bun. So this is my western wear hairstyle. Now frame on your face some random flecks glue. Pull out some random flecks on your forehead like so. It gives nice messy look on your braid. So this is the final look of this hairstyle. I hope you are all like this video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I love you. Take care.